All right, welcome back, YouTube. So this is that donor vehicle I was talking about, putting my Ram charger on. Needs a fuel pump. I was going to do it the proper way. I jacked it up. I went under there. Everything was rusted. This is Canadian vehicles. Look at that. Every nut and bolt on this thing. Can't lift the bed. The bolts are all crusted. Gas tank straps, bolts are crusted. So what I'm doing, you guessed it, we're going in through the box. There's the fuel pump. I just, like I said, this truck, the body's getting scrapped anyway, and the box is crap. So this is the way we're gonna do it. We're going in through the box. I believe we just got to undo a couple clips here. There was a crossbar here. It was rotted right to pieces. So I didn't even have to cut that out. It just fell out. So yeah, I believe that just pops up maybe. I'm not sure how that comes off. Alright, so that's what I'm up to here today. Gotta tell you about corrosion. Look at that. Now, that's on top of the tank. Can you imagine what the bolts and everything underneath look like? Like, yeah, brutal. So definitely would have struggled. We would have had to pull this whole tank out of this truck. All the lines, everything would have had to come off, and then risk breaking those because they're crusty too, and all that. So this is definitely the better route to go. All right, I got the new one going in. I forgot to take some videos, but man, that was hard to get out. I wire wheeled that up a bit. I was hammering on that thing. You can see right there, started elongating the holes just by smashing, trying to get that out of there. Oh my god, crusty. But new one's going in. Hopefully it's gonna work. And like I said, the body's coming off this thing anyway. It's just gonna go and then I'll sandblast the frame or wire wheel, whatever I'm gonna do with it while I get it up. But I just wanted to get it up and moving for the moment, so I had to get it driving. And yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna snap this all back together and then weld this patch back down in place probably. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if she starts up. There she goes, boys. She's fired. She's fired up. Runs as good as new. Although our gas gauge isn't working for some reason. Maybe my float's in the wrong spot or something. I don't know, but the gas gauge, unless there's no gas in it. But there was some gas in it. Let's try and jerk it around a bit and see what happens here. Doesn't seem to be working. I'll have to add some gas to that and see. Because the float's just where the float is. There's no way of adjusting it. It just snaps into place. So anyway, it's working. It's started. It's driving. Back in business. That's all I care about right now at the moment, so I can move it around the yard and use it a little bit and then strip the body off it and go from there.